back to my channel. And you are watching the video hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. In the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.